Okay, guys, I would like to present you a powerful assessment tool which loved by all students. It's Kahoot. Yeah, it's so popular, guys. Seriously. Okay, in this Kahoot, we can create a multiple choice question. Okay, let me click here. Okay, so these are the Kahoots that I created, where most of the topic is computer science, since I'm teaching computer science. Okay, let's open this one up and let's check on this. Okay, chapter 1, data representation, which about 1.1 here, binary to denary only. So yeah, this one, binary to denary only. This is part of the chapter in the syllabus, and this one is the part where it's asked about binary number to denary number conversion and denary number to binary conversion, back and forth. Now, as you see here, you can check the question here are made in multiple choice, and the answer here that I create, the answer is 0 and 1, which is the first one. This one is the multiple choice. And now, guys, as you can see here, I have created 20 questions. Now let's try to edit them, and you can see the choices that we can make. Okay, the types of the question. This one is the multiple choice. How do we create that one? Okay, let's add here. For example, I'm adding here the true and false. Okay, oh, the first one. I mean, this one is the multiple choice, and here is the CPU can only understand two numbers. And that is 0 and 1. Okay, here I provide the correct answer first, which is binary. I'll have to take this one, so later in the question, this one will known as the correct answer, but it doesn't show. When the students click the other, it will be a mistake. So hexadecimal, and this one is binary, and this one is decimal. Okay, still the answer is binary. If you want to make it as a multiple, not single select and multi-select, so this two question is correct, then you can tick both. And obviously it's automatically changed to switch to multi-select. But since I'm choose to single select, I will remove this one. Okay, the only truth is binary. Now, if you want to create another question, you can basically choose the true and false. The true and false here, for example, I say hexadecimal numbers are consist of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then continue with A, B, C, D, E, F. So basically, guys, hexadecimal is 16 numbers, which is from 0 to F. Okay, now I'm going to change it a bit. I'm going to change a bit here, so the A, B, C, D, E, I will write down here F, G. No, 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 no. E, F, and G. So here I will put some trap. So this one is a wrong answer basically, so I put it here as false. Okay, it's a tricky one. So if the students just look at this all, if there's A, B, C, D, then it's true, then they got trapped. Actually, this one should be false. Now, another type of question that is provided in the Kahoot is type answer. So yeah, it can be short answer, but if you cannot type it, let's say more than, how many words? I don't know here. Let's say, oh yeah, 17 letters. Oh, 20 letters. Okay, so what should I type here? The base 16 is also known as base 16 numbers. The base 2 numbers is binary. Are binary, base 2 numbers are binary. Then this one, and the base 16 numbers are also known as, so this one is the answer, base 16 is called hexadecimal. If you want to provide another correct answer, then you can click here. Let's say someone type like this, hexadecimal. Yeah, it's fine. Actually, the correct one is this one, but it's still fine. Okay, you provide two optional answers which considered still correct. Oh yeah, you can set the time over here for the students to answer. Okay, what is the next one? Oh, slider. Okay, slider. What is the decimal number after 0110100? What? Okay. No, not really. So this one can be asked in the slider. It will definitely show the what is the decimal number after this binary. Okay, basically this binary number is 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 8. So this is 8 plus 1. This is 8, guys. 1, 2, 4, 8. This is 8. This is 1. So in the decimal number or in the binary number is 9. So the answer here should be 10. Okay, the answer is 10. Now add another question for, oh, this one is Ponzo. Okay. Sort the create a sentence in a correct order. For example, this is the smallest base number to the largest. Smallest base number to the largest, which is 16. So basically we know this first one is binary, the next one is binary, which is base 10, and the last one is hexadecimal. Very good. So now we can save this. You see, Kahoot provides a lot of tools, a lot of questions, lots of games. I mean different kinds of assessment. And as you see here, if we want to re-edit again, we can add more questions. Okay, Kahoot provides different type of assessment, as you can see here: quiz, true and false, type answer, slider, puzzle, and quiz plus with the audio. For example, you click over here What is the binary number of this binary? 1110. So this one is 2 plus 4 plus 8. 2 plus 4 plus 8 is 14. So this one can be read.
What is the denary number of this binary? 1110.
1110. They should not read it 1110.
What is the denary number of this binary? 1110.
See, this one is better, 1110. So it's added and okay.
What is the denary number of this binary? 1110.
Okay, so 14. So 14, I put the answer over here. This is the correct answer. This is 13. This is 11. And this one is 15. Okay, so I have tried all of this type of assessment, quiz, true and false type answer and the others. Okay, actually we can do another one, which is polling, drop-in, word cloud. Okay, so open-ended and brainstorming. Okay, this one is just to collect opinions without any assessment or mark. Okay, now it can also import a spreadsheet, question bank from another creator or question generator. Okay, so this is done and we can save this. Done. Now guys, Kahoot here can be played like a game. Okay, it can be played. Okay, let me play this one to make sure that you can understand. Okay, it's better to see because seeing is believing, right? So when this one is a sign. Okay, this one is for learning at the student's pace. So we can set when the date is done, how many days. Okay, for example, up until June or up until July. You can set the date for the students to learn using this Kahoot. After that day, it will create a report of how the students perform, and there will be marked there. Question timer, you can set this one is on and off for personalized learning or not, but for personalized learning, they need iOS and Android. It means mobile phone. Okay, for personalized learning. And then you can click on this create, and then here it is. We can give the student this link, so or they just can download the Kahoot app through the Android or the iOS and put this game pin through to the Kahoot app, and then they can play this game. And later on, we can find their student's name over here, and they got the rank and answers as a report. Okay, so basically here, if you want to see the other reports that I create for the other game, okay, for example, this one, oh, it's only one. Okay, let me find, okay, Boolean logic expression, this one. Okay, we can see there are 6 players. Okay, and we can see here, for example, Jaden got 95%, Rico got 90, Aisha got 90, and the last one is Katie, which got 50%. Okay, there's a report there. So Kahoot is so complete that provides a report. Let's say this one. Okay, in detail. The report will be in detail. So for example here, Jaden make mistake in this part. Okay, the question is, what is the logic gate of this? And the answer is A XNOR B, and it's incorrect. So The time he took to answer this is almost 5 seconds. Okay, and the point is 0. So he made mistake in the question 5. Okay, so basically you guys can see this report, and the question 5 is this one where Jaden make mistake. Oh, this one. Okay, this one is X NOR gate. Okay, so yeah, 3 students answer correctly and 3 answers wrong. But this one is also X NOR gate, but at the end this should be X, not Y. This is Y and this is X. If we can see this in detail one more time, so we can see the question and then we can click on the picture and it will display the whole picture. Okay, that is for the report. It reports the game mode and the date and the number of players. For example, this one is 15 players, 12 players. Okay, guys, you can view the date. Okay, that's all my review for Kahoot. No, there's another more. Okay, so when we play the game, when we play the game, this is for example, because currently I'm not with the students, so yeah, I'm just showing you how it's going to be played. Okay, this one, let's say I press start. This is a self-paced that I showed you just now, but this one is live. So live means I'm in front of the class, I'm playing this, I will view all of the students are playing the game. Okay, it's like face-to-face class. Okay, with the board showing the Kahoot. That is called live. Now you can see there are lots of games here. This one is the normal one, the classic mode, where I can play and the students are playing, try to answer that one, and I can see which one is correct, which one is wrong. And this one is a team mode. Okay, they can be divided into few members. Okay, and this one is a game, which is the tallest tower. Okay, there will be King Kong. Okay, and there will be stack. They can put some strategy over there. This one is the best, which is Color Kingdom. Okay, so both of them, both teams, which made from students in the class, they divided into two. One of them is the red team, and the other half will be going for the blue team. So they try to conquer one and another, attacking one and another. How to win this? You need to make a circle around the tower. Okay, that's how you win. And the other games. Okay, it's a really interesting one, and you should try. That's all my review for Kahoot. It's really nice, guys. It's really good assessment and fun.